US dollar. I like taking a look at that first. Ticker symbol US dollar, and what I like doing too is just drawing some classic support and resistance. Got a nice little falling wedge there on the US dollar index. Kind of shows me and maybe indicates that we might see a higher move in the US dollar, which means I probably wanted to short everything else, right? Because the majors are the majors because they have a component of the US dollar. But let's go, I'm jumping ahead of myself, let's go out to the daily chart and look for key levels of support and resistance. Support, remember, acts like a floor for price, and price bounces off a floor. Buyers step in at a level where price has been before, like this 1173 area, and I'm looking at the US dollar index, which is a broker-backed index that takes in the Australian dollar, euro, yen, and British pound against the US dollar. The base starting price was 10,000, and we've been as high as about 12,161. But you know, if you're in the scheme of things, we just kind of been sideways consolidation after a big, massive run-up from July down here at 10,350, double bottom right there, and bam, north side. As we thought, hey, lower employment, lower unemployment, and we're going to raise rates. So all this is based on anticipation of a rate hike from the Fed, but we haven't got one, and so now we're moving kind of sideways. Now this is what's going on. We've hit a level of resistance, topside resistance about 12,162. And we're stuck in a range, low 11,642, and we just start stair-stepping some classic support and resistance levels here. We got some floors coming in here, double bottom here at the 11,864. Price dropped, and we had a higher low. Then we have a same low, and now we're rebounding a nice little morning star pattern right here on this U.S. dollar index. Okay. And I'll zoom in on that. Just want to get those previous areas there. And we can see that after this big bearish engulfing candle, the bears could not muster enough juice to take it down to the next level. Okay, we could not break the low that we found back here on September 18th. Price dropped down to that low, bearish engulfing, full thrust. This is it, guys. Bears power. They're high-pawing each other. Yeah, get that money, get that honey. We're going to buy a new cave, and bam, reversal. Got spinning top indecision, then break above the doji low-range candle high, and then boom, now we're rallying back to the upside now. Now, the bears, I'm sure, are probably saying, they're probably shocked. Like, hey, we gave it all we had to break this level of support. It's 11,864, and we couldn't. Huh, shucks. So now, we got they've kind of given up. Now the bulls fumble the ball. Bulls have the ball now, and now they're rallying back up. Now they're going to make a charge. They're going to make a push to the upside. Maybe first level of resistance comes in at the 12,061. Nice little area of resistance where bulls tried to get above it, and bears turn them back down. So now the bulls have it. Probably gonna. Price usually rallies to the next level of significant next ceiling. So this is a ceiling. Price bounced off the ceiling, came back down to the support, and we expect price to head back toward this area. What this means for the other currency pairs, like the euro and the pound, the Aussie, New Zealand dollar, we expect weakness from them as we move higher here. Now, what could change us around is price turns around. Sellers come in one more time and try to push below 11,852, and then that could send us down here to this next level of 11,077, which was that low that from August 24th. So let's go ahead and just go through the charts now. We've got established. Once we establish what's going on with the U.S. dollar, we got a lot to go from there. We got the euro. Here's our daily chart, and we can see that after spiking up to that. About 117.12, we really haven't been able to stage much of a rally back toward it. We had made a double bottom here at the about 110.02, and we've rallied up to the old high from September 18th, and just got above it, but we got a tweezer top right there, about 1500, and you know, we could probably see prices continue to drift back down toward this next level of significant support. There's lots